Hello everybody, thanks so much for watching and joining me today. We're doing a little bit of eyeshadow. I put up a post on YouTube and on Instagram, and I'm trying to figure out which palette I should use today. And this one won by a landslide. This is the Wet n Wild Always Naked palette. Mine's a little beat up. I don't think this is a great palette for traveling because I took it somewhere, Chicago maybe, or when we went to Europe, I'm not sure, but like this is busted. Maybe I dropped it once or twice, I don't know, but these shadows are so soft and pigmented. Like this is old school Wet n Wild, you know? I love this palette. I do have a new one in my cart on Amazon because I just need a fresh one, you know what I mean? So I love this palette. I also love Always Blushin'. That is really my favorite, but this one's great. So this one won. The other one that I had up was this $9 palette from Amazon. This is really good too. Obviously the Wet n Wild one is better, but this is great. It has a ton of colors, so I might do like a neutral look, and then I might put like a little pop of color. Like I really want to use this green on my lower lash line, so we'll see what we do. I will leave links to both of these palettes down below. I also want to give a little shout out to Denise Marie 6131. She put this comment up. She said, "Your sister did real good." This was on my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals palette tutorial. She said, "Can you do a look without liner and lashes one day soon, please? I need some inspiration. Thank you and Happy New Year." So that's what we're gonna do today. She's been a great supporter. She has really supported me and my channel. She comments on like all my videos, and I really appreciate her. Denise, thank you so much. If your name's Denise, I'm assuming. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You don't know how special and how much that means to me. So today that's what we're doing, and I've been wanting to do a look without liner and lashes because let's be real, on like when I go out, even like to like a brunch or something, I don't wear liner or lashes. Like I'm not rocking it. I only do like liner and lashes when I'm doing YouTube videos and TikToks and Reels. So we're gonna use this Naked palette. We might do a colorful liner. I don't know, we'll see. Let's get into it. Of course, I'm starting off with my transition color. It's just this like peachy transition. I really like this palette because for me and my fair skin tone, I have 3 transition colors that I can choose from. So that's just one reason why I love this palette so much. I love, you know, several different transition colors. I really do. I know it's so basic, but I do. Now I'm picking up this chocolatey brown, and this is just going in the outer V and in the crease. I think this is just gonna be a good like everyday look. Like this is so easy. I think the only other tutorial I have with this palette, I did like a halo look. So now we're just gonna do like an everyday easy. That's what I like, guys. And let's be real, all my looks are very easy. They're wearable. Like you could wear this out somewhere. You know, you could wear it to work. You can deepen it up a little bit if you wanted to go out at nighttime. So that's what I look for with like eyeshadow and eyeshadow tutorials, you know. So you guys know I clean up my edge, so I'm not too worried about that. I just want this to look very soft and blended. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I know I turned this into like an easy everyday, but I'm taking this dark brown and it's just gonna go pretty much in the same spot as that chocolatey brown. I just want to deepen it up a little bit. I'm not going maybe as far like in with it. I just kind of want to deepen up the outer section. And I feel like the new generation and everything, they don't really like eyeshadow that much. And I'm just like, I love eyeshadow. I am eyeshadow obsessed. If you guys haven't noticed, I really want to do like a chatty get ready with me soon to talk about my neighbor next door. Oh my God, the amount of girlfriends that guy has is unbelievable. And like they all know he had, well, let me take that back. He has one girlfriend, but he has so many different girls over at all different times, and they mention his girlfriend. They're like, "Oh no, I don't want your girlfriend to be mad at me," and then like 2 seconds later they're like getting it on. I'm like, oh no. Yeah, he's just, I mean, you know, everybody has their types and stuff, but I'm just like, I don't know what these girls see in him. Right now he has pink hair. And I'm being quiet because if you guys watch me, you guys know my walls in this apartment are paper thin, tissue paper thin, okay? Not cardstock, tissue paper thin. So I have to be careful, but yeah. Me and my boyfriend are like so invested in his life because we're just like, what? It's unbelievable. So yeah, I want to do a chatty get ready with me talking about him. I don't know if that's weird. but it's interesting. Let me tell you, I have some stories. So this palette has like a rose gold shimmer and then like a bronzy gold, and today I'm using the bronzy gold because that's just kind of what I'm going for. I'm also going to take this light shade and put it right underneath my eyebrow, kind of like as a brow bone highlight. I used to be super like picky with my brow bone highlights, and now I feel like not a lot of palettes will come out with brow bone highlights, like matte brow bone highlights. So I kind of, sometimes I don't even highlight underneath the eyebrow anymore. You guys know the drill, it's concealer time. I want to maybe work on not having to clean up my edges, but then again, I really like the way it looks, so I don't know. You know, we'll try things out, I guess. If you don't want a colorful lower lash line, all you have to do is take the darkest shade that was used, that dark brown, line. This is how I do it. I line the outer half of my lower lash line and then I blend it out with my transition color, and then you're done. But I don't know, I want to spice it up. So I'm taking the green, I think, or do I do the purple? Purple or green? Ooh, I'm gonna do green, guys. I'm sorry, I just have to. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right, I'm back in action. I'm just taking this like goldy, browny, bronzy shade just to deepen up this green. And I like it. Oh my God, so much better. Oh yes, yes. So for mascara, I'm trying out the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. I love the regular telescopic, it's so good. But I'm trying this one, and then of course I'm using my Essence False Lash Effect mascara. All right, so eyes are done, and I love them. They look so freaking good. Neutral on the top, party on the bottom, and it's not even that big of a party. It's like a get-together with like 5 friends. I love it. I love it. So, of course, I'll end off this video with close-ups. If you guys want to know anything, let me know. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see from me this year. Like, I kind of want to vlog more and do just more like kind of everyday videos. I love makeup, so I'm always going to be posting makeup videos, but also I want to throw in some vlogs, and I want to know what you guys feel about that. Also, like, clean with me's and stuff. So let me know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests, let me know and I'll shout you out and everything. Again, thank you, Denise Marie, for, you know what? Thank you so much for commenting and requesting just a look, no lashes, no liner. So I hope you like this one. Yeah, that's all that I want to say. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a good work week, because I am filming on a Sunday. So have a good work week. That's all that I got for you guys. Bye.